beautiful people, welcome back. So from the title, you already know why we are here. I'll be recreating Vanessa Gyimah's eyeshadow look. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. And if you are seeing this face for the very first time, my name is Pamela. I always say, stay subscribed to my channel. We have a good time. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. So we're not wasting much of our time. Let's just dive straight into the video. For the eyeshadow, I'm using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee to create a base. Okay, so I'm going to apply it now on my eyes and blend out. When you are blending, use a brush that is like this. It's round but it's fluffy. I don't know if you can see. Gently, don't rush so you will not spoil what you've done. Okay, blend, blend and blend. You shouldn't see hash lines when you are doing your eyeshadow. Hash lines is something that you don't even want to happen when you are doing your eyeshadow. Okay, blend, blend, blend. The same thing I'm going to do to the other side. When you are blending, you tap, dab it, don't push. Okay, dabbing will go a long way for you to help you to achieve a good result. Now we are good to go. Next up, we'll be using our eyeshadows to create our magic. I'm going in with this green color in my fairy gold palette. I hope you can see. So pick it with a fluffy brush. Don't stop excess. Then we'll start from here to build to the inner corner. When we place, we fade it off. Okay. I'm done blending it out. I'm going to use this palette, Butterfly Love, and pick a brown orange. I think I'll go with this. Okay, I'll be using it to blend out the top of the crease. I'm going to be using this dark shade of green that has shimmer in it for my eyelid. Okay, for the main time, we'll be avoiding this part. I don't think it's like her exact green, but I'll just make do with what I have. For the outer corner of the eye, I'm using this gold color. I'm using my flat brush to pick it, and it's from Fairy Gold Cosmetics, the palette. Moving on to my waterline. I'm going to bring it lower. So I'll be using this shade of purple from Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette. Okay, to get the smudge eye. Going in with this shade that has glitter in it for the outer corner. You bring it down, take it upwards and bring it down. So I'm going to throw in my lashes now. I'm going to brush out my lashes under using my mascara. this is the final look of the eyeshadow that I recreated. I ate and I left no crumbs. Drop down below if I did a very good job in the comment section. I would love to read them. Okay? And please, if you find this very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. In fact, drop everything you need to drop for me. I appreciate you all. Thank you guys for your support. See you guys in my next video. Bye.